guys, my name is Alexandra and welcome to Creative 404. I'm super hyper. Oh my god, as I'm making these videos, I'm drinking more coffee and I am getting more awake. I've actually been doing this since 4 a.m. and I don't know why I did this at 4 a.m. I've been having a really strange sleeping schedule. But this is number 5 of my pre-recorded videos and another surprise unboxing because I don't know what I'm going to unbox. I have a stack of stuff that I'm going to unbox. I am a bit of a hoarder. Every time I got paid, I would buy like 1 or 2 dolls and I'll shove them in the closet for a rainy day. I brought more than 1 or 2 if I'm being honest, because I would take some of them, do videos, and then put the rest of them in the closet. Well, I discovered them while I was packing. Why I'm packing, if you don't already know, I'm moving in with my dad. I'm having some financial troubles, and I needed to go back home. This pandemic has been hard. But sadness aside, what am I going to unbox today? We are going to unbox this girl. Yay! I bought her for summer. Her name is Margot de Perla. I don't know what color she's supposed to be. Probably just pearl. But she's one of the beach people. There's a group of people for beachy scenes. We even have a guy. I was actually watching Jamie's video from Let's Talk About It with Jamie. And she had a bunch of these girls. When she was doing her video, I had already purchased the Pearl girl because she's all white and I had to have her. But I loved watching Jamie's videos, especially when she does her little photo shoot at the end. I'm not doing a photo shoot. This is more of a casual unboxing. And I just want to unbox and talk about her a little bit with you guys on camera. I really love pearls. I think they are beautiful. I actually used to have a pearl necklace. I thought they were just very dainty and beautiful. And when I saw her, I had to have her. Not because she's a pearl, but because she just has that beautiful, lustrous white tone. And I love the translucent, what is it? Not translucent. Iridescence. I love the iridescence look of her. And so when I saw her, I had to have her. Also, as I continue, I have Danny, my cat. He's a Maine Coon. He's a big baby. He's not even 1 year old, and right now he's playing on the table. He's part of my videos because I shoo him away and he does not want to go away. He does not want to go away. He does not. Oh, you're so silly. You're so silly. But I love her. I love this doll. I love Danny too. Danny Banani. Danny. Danny. Are you helping? Are you helping? Danny tries to help with me. He does. So she's one of the beach girls. So she comes with beachy stuff. And oddly enough, she comes with separate legs. I was not expecting the legs. That really threw me off when I opened this. Oh my god. She has flat-footed feet that come as a separate piece, which kind of throws me off because I have like body parts. Oh, that is funny. That is super funny. Danny, don't mess up my drop cloth. Danny. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. Mama got to fix the drop cloth now. What is with you and the drop cloth? What are you with the tablecloth is actually what I mean. You know, you're giving me kisses. Oh, it's a baby. I can't stay mad at you. You're just a big floof. You're a big floof. You're a big floof. Yeah? Ooh, you got a long claw. Mama got to trim it. Mama got to trim your claw. Anyway, I got these feet. I wasn't expecting feet, but they are flat feet. I wonder why they gave me flat feet. Does she have extra shoes that require flat feet, or is it just because they want you to be able to play in the sand with her? I don't know. We will see. I use an X-Acto knife to open dolls. If you are underage, use an adult. But this is not for, this is an adult collector's video. It's not really meant for children. If you are a child and you have permission, then by all means watch it, but not meant for children. Don't demonetize me. She's kind of strange. How do you get it out? There we go. It's really funny that they put little spheres at the back. I know it's supposed to be a pearl, but it kind of made me laugh. She has like a beanie or some sort of hairdo. Oh, it's a bandana. Interesting. Ooh, we got it. We got her out. We got her out. Eee. Oh, there's a brush. Don't forget the brush. Yeah, we got her out. One reason why I had to have her, and one reason only. She looks like a unicorn. You know, the last unicorn? She looks like she is a humanoid version of the last unicorn, and that's the reason, the secret reason why I had to have her. Ooh, she has crunchy hair. Ugh. You need a spa day. Ooh, she has really good freckles. They painted really good freckles on her. Her lipstick is a little smeared. They didn't paint it on very well. But she has really good freckles. Oh my god. And I love the light pink. They did a really good job with her light pink stuff. But she just looks like a unicorn to me, and I had to have her. She has tinsel in her hair, which is really good. And she has, her bandana is tabbed into her hair. I hate tabs. Get them out with my teeth. Ah! Oh my god. I didn't even like the bandana. We're not using the bandana. I'm just going to give you a bath, and you're going to be my little unicorn. Oh my god. My cat just fell and hit the camera. She's my little unicorn girl. Danny, stop rolling off the table, you silly boy. You're going to get hurt. She reminds me of a unicorn, so she's my little unicorn girl. I had to have her. Something about the Rainbow High dolls are just, they always make me really happy. And I need pliers to get rid of the tabs in her hair. They have that hard plastic stuff. Oh, she just looks like a unicorn. She's such a pretty unicorn. I love her. I love her nose. I love her lipstick. If only if it wasn't smeared, but she's super cute. Oh, I love her. She's so pale. Ah, she's such a pretty unicorn. And I haven't even opened up her accessories. Don't like the bandana. It has like these fake straps on it, and it's weird iridescent, and then in some spots there's not iridescent, and it makes out the word rainbow. But no bueno. Alright, let's see. Summer's here. It is June. We actually going to have no, it's July. Is it July? Or is it June? It's June. For some reason I keep getting June and July mixed up, but it's June. But we already had Memorial Day weekend, so that means it is officially summer. I'm really happy about that. Even though I'm in Texas, so we've had summer since ever. We barely had a winter this year, which probably means we're going to have another bad winter next year. Or actually, we didn't have a bad winter last year, which means we're going to have a bad winter this year. You are my little unicorn. I love unicorns. When I was a kid, oh my God, save me from the unicorns and fairies. Sorry for those that are grossed out for me using my teeth. I'm gonna use my teeth. Yay! She has like a bucket bag, which is stuck. Bucket bag. Bucket bag. And it works. You can close it. And it has like little pearls that say Rainbow Paris, which is kind of cute. I guess it's supposed to be like a fancy brand of Rainbow High. And then she comes with a tail with all the tabs in it. Oh my God, get all these tabs out. And the towel has the little belts. It needed more iridescent rainbows, to be honest, because she's my rainbow girl. She is my unicorn baby. Yeah. Pacific Coast. I'm really happy with her. I want to do her as a cosplay. Like, I don't even, like, I love her bathing suit. I love her little tote bag. I'm not a fan of the towel too much or the weird visor glasses, but I think she just makes it up. She's super cute, and she comes with a stand. She's gonna be my baby. I love her. I absolutely love her. She's definitely going in my favorite dolls collection, but I'm going to give her a different outfit, something that looks more ethereal, and she's definitely gonna go for a spa day to get rid of the crunchy hair, but she's so pretty. Oh my God, I love the tinsel in the hair. She has like teal, pastel teal, blue, purple. She just looks like a unicorn to me. I know she's supposed to be a pearl, but she looks like a unicorn. Girls, unicorn. Guys, unicorn. Yeah. Don't you guys love it? Eee! I'm so happy. Anyway, I'm going to end this video here. That's my first reactions to this girl. She's definitely going she's not going into storage is what I'm trying to say. She's definitely going to be with me when I move. She's going to be on my desk. I'm going to make it pretty because I got some plans for customizing her, and I'm going to do it. But I got plans to customize quite a few dolls. Anyway, if you have her, put it in the comments. Let me know. Why do you like her? Is it because she looks like a unicorn? Please tell me it's because, did you discover she looked like a unicorn because of me? Ooh, did I bring the unicorn vibes to you? I love unicorns. And if you bought her or you want to buy her, let me know in the comments down below. I really want to know. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a like. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye now. Bye bye. I totally messed up that YouTube thing, but that's fine. Come on, rainbow girl or unicorn girl. Oof. Oh my God.